Welcome to this video assignment. This is for History 1301, Module 2, Birth of a Nation. The topic is the Bill of Rights. The state of North Carolina refused to ratify the Constitution before a Bill of Rights was attached. Now, the Bill of Rights is the first 10 constitutional amendments to the Constitution, passed by the first Congress in 1789 and ratified by the states in 1791. James Madison considered a National Bill of Rights to be redundant, for Madison believed that amendments restraining federal power would have no effect on the danger of liberty imposed by unchecked majorities in the states, and no list of rights, no matter how lengthy, could anticipate the numerous ways that Congress might operate in the future. In the Civil War, Reconstruction, the two Red Scares in the 20th century, as well as Japanese internment during World War II, proves Madison right. But given the impasse from North Carolina, Madison wrote and presented 12 amendments to Congress anyway. 10 of them were passed. Of the 10, some you need to be aware of. The First Amendment. It prohibits Congress from legislating law with regard to religion or legislating law infringing on the freedoms of speech, press, or assembly. There is no official state religion in the United States. It is also able to pretty much say whatever you want. Press can be biased. The press can be objective. The press can take one side or the other. The government does not control it. Assembly, as the government does not infringe on the right to assemble. The government does reserve the right to break up an assembly it deems dangerous. The Second Amendment. This is the one that gives people the right to arm bears. It also gives people the right to bear arms. This is the very controversial amendment, as there are different interpretations on what bearing arms actually means. Some claim that means that it's the right of the states to have a local militia. Others claim that is the right for individuals to own and operate weapons. This is a hot button issue for right now in the Second Amendment. The Eighth Amendment prohibits excessive bail and cruel and unusual punishment. The Ninth Amendment, it states that all rights not mentioned in the Constitution would be retained by the people. And then the 10th Amendment, it affirms that the powers not delegated to the national government continue to reside in the states. There's also amendments in here that guarantee a right to trial by jury and also a right to not be forced to quarter troops. Now, there are two amendments that weren't passed. One of them would have restricted the size of congressional districts. The other amendment would have prohibited Congress from voting itself a pay raise. However, this last one about Congress's pay raise has since become the 27th Amendment to the Constitution, ratified on May 8, 1992. This came about because Congress did not place a time limit on Madison's amendments. Thus, in 1982, Gregory Watson, a legal scholar at the University of Texas, found these two amendments and started pressuring the states to ratify the amendment on congressional raises, and was successful. The 27th Amendment is now known as the Madison Amendment. Significance of the Bill of Rights is twofold. First, the Bill of Rights offer a definition of the inalienable rights that Thomas Jefferson mentioned in the Declaration of Independence. Second, Americans point to the Bill of Rights, especially the First Amendment, when they are asked to define freedom today. Thank you for watching this video on the Bill of Rights, and may the Force be with you.